Hey guys, what's up? It's your Sunny Trainer Sydney, and I'm back today with a 10-minute jump rope workout for beginners. This is a great workout to start getting used to longer periods of jump roping. We're going to be jump roping for 30 seconds today in different intervals. So we'll mix in some exercises as well as jump roping. So let's get started. Grab your jump rope. We're going to start out with just 30 seconds of regular jumping. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember, when you're jumping, you don't need to jump too high or too crazy. Like, that's just really going to tire you out. Just little baby jumps is perfect. Nice and easy. In 3, 2, 1, and we have a 10-second rest. Drop that jump rope. We're going to get into an exercise next. We have X jumps. Ready? Let's go. So we're going to cross and touch one foot, come up and jump, cross down to touch the other foot, and come back to a jump. We only have 30 seconds of each exercise, so really push your pace. This is a hip workout, so we're really trying to get some high intensity work in today. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Great job, guys. Grab that jump rope. We're gonna get right back into jump roping. Ready, set, let's go. Once again, nice and easy. If you mess up, no worries. Just get started whenever you can. Try to keep those arms nice and steady. Not too much movement, it's just the wrist that's flicking the jump rope around. And rest. Great job. Okay, ready? Our next exercise. Let's go. We've got Sumo Squats, so feet nice and wide. Squatting down. Nice, good depth. You've got this. Sit back with those hips. Keep that core nice and tight. In 3, 2, 1, let's rest. Shake it out. Grab that jump rope. We're gonna be right back into jump roping. Ready? Let's go. 30 seconds. You've got it. Halfway there. Keep breathing. How is your core? It should be nice and tight as we're jumping up and down. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Woo! Great work. We're gonna come on down to our mat for the next exercise. We're gonna do some knee push-ups. All right, so come on down. Let's get started. Hands just below your shoulders. Pressing down and back up. If you can do regular push-ups, that's totally fine too. Whatever you can do today. Try to keep those elbows nice and tight in towards your sides to work your triceps a little more. And rest. Great work. All right, you guys know what's next. We're right back into jump roping. So grab that jump rope. Let's get started. Ready? Go. As you start to get more comfortable with your jump rope, increase the pace if you can. Really getting that cardio going with the jump rope portion of this workout. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, we have one last exercise and then we're gonna take a full 1 minute rest. It's just simple forward lunges. All right, let's get started. Forward lunges, nice and easy. Be mindful of keeping that front knee behind the front toe. Working on getting some nice, good depth with these lunges. And 3, 2, last one, and rest. Great job. All right, like I said, we have a full 1 minute of rest. So grab some water, catch your breath. I might get a little bit of water. You guys are doing great. Keep up the awesome work. So we're already halfway done. You already know exactly what we're doing. We're just going to do that one more time to make it a full 10-minute workout. You guys are doing so awesome. Keep it up. Okay, this time I'm going to challenge you guys. If you feel pretty comfortable with your regular jumping, we're going to switch it up and do a boxer jump. I'll show you what that is in just a second. We're going to get started with our next set of this workout in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So a boxer jump is just hopping back and forth. Okay, so I'm on one foot at a time. Ooh. Well, regular mess ups are a normal thing. So I'm not going to do that one for the full rest of this workout, but that was just an example of how you can take this workout to the next level once you start getting more comfortable and you've done it a few times. And rest. Great job, you guys. All right, ready? X jumps. Let's do it. 30 seconds. Ten more seconds. Stay strong. Keep moving. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Shake it on out. Back to our jump rope. All right, let's go. Regular jumps, or if you're feeling bold, boxer skips. Great work, keep it up. And if you hit yourself or you mess up like I did earlier, that's totally a normal part of jump roping. So just get back to it when you're ready. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Awesome job, you guys. Keep it up. We're almost there. Next up, we've got Sumo Squats. Ready? Let's go. Feet nice and wide. Toes are pointed slightly outwards. Getting some nice, good depth in those squats. Keep breathing. And 3, 2, last one, and rest. Grab that jump rope. Let's get to it. Ready, and go. You got it. Keep jumping. Find that rhythm and just keep moving. You can do this. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job. All right, back to our mat. We're gonna get into those knee push-ups. Ready? Getting started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. As you're doing your push-ups, let's focus on keeping that core nice and tight. Whether you're in a knee push-up or a full push-up, your body should be in one straight line, okay? Your hips shouldn't be hinging up. That's gonna take that work off of your arms. So butt tucked, core tight. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Whew. Great work. Back up to our feet. We got some jump rope. This is our last set of jump rope. Ready? Let's do it. And go. Come on, last 30 seconds of jump roping. You've got this. Push that pace. Give everything you've got. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Quick 10-second rest. We're gonna do our last exercise, forward lunges. All right, one exercise between us and the end of this workout. Ready? Let's go. Come on, stay strong. Almost there. 15 more seconds. Come on, dig deep. You can do this. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job, you guys. You did such an awesome job today. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you guys next time.